Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel Explore Swiss. Today I'm going to show you Bern Bridge, which is located in Fribourg, Switzerland. It is about 30 kilometers away from the capital of Switzerland. After the establishment of the city Freiburg, there was no bridge to cross the river, so people used to cross the river by boats. So that's why this bridge was made. The history of this bridge dates back to 1340. At that time, this bridge was made out of timber woods, but it was sawn down because the invaders used to attack the city through this bridge. The bridge which you see right now dates back to 1653, but as you can see, the central stone and the deck, they were both replaced in 1853 and 54. And the roof was also replaced in 1885. So let's go and walk through the bridge so I can show you more. Here you can see some more information. Only one car can pass at one time. The height of this bridge is 2.8 meters and it can support a weight of 12 tons. So let's go and walk through the city. So you see a car coming. Have to be okay. You will have a feeling of old wood. You can see the old lamp which is covered by the spider web. Or I also see a Fanta bot stuck up in the roof. Looks spooky. So this is how the bridge looks. And there is a car coming, so I have to be on the right side. There is also a lamp which is also covered in spider webs. And here you can see the name of the bridge, and there's also a place to sit. This is the Old Town, beautiful place. So let me show you the bridge, how it looks from here. So if you like my video, please subscribe. This will help me make good videos for you guys. And see you in the next video, and enjoy the beautiful view. Bye bye.